Hello, good morning, everybody. It's Monday, and today is 15th June 2026. As usual, my dog is in my kitchen. It's morning time. He's looking around for food. My husband, who's working from home, he's trying to get some treats from him. This is our front entrance where he's sitting and trying to get some sun. It's a beautiful day outside. Little chill, little nip in the air, but otherwise it's good. Relaxed, sitting on the carpet. He is pretty chilled out right now. You might have been hearing the bark behind. He's barking at somebody. So these are his favorite spots: the front entrance, the patio door, and the patio. So that's his favorite pastime. It's the beginning of the week, so pretty much very relaxed. Sunday, he is more happy because everybody's at home. Now he's looking at the backyard. It's our patio door. I have posted a lot of videos of this, and it's his favorite pastime to look around and see. We have patio flowers this time, new ones that we have put, so it looks good outside. He's trying to see if he can find something. Generally looking at squirrels, birds. He wants to go at times outside and see himself or check. So my husband being home, his expectations are more to take him out frequently so that he can explore. My husband and Phantom both standing and checking the patio. You can see it's very bright and sunny. You can see the glare. This is Phantom again. He's in the bushes. So when he gets into the bushes, his pastime is to look around and see if there are birds. Now he's under the tree. It's the backyard. And there he goes again to see and check what birds are there inside. Okay, guys, thanks for watching my video. We'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.